global ratings agencies will soon come to North Block for discussions on India's sovereign ratings. Mrinali Krishna joins us with more what's lined up on the agenda. Mrinali, what are you picking up in terms of the specifics of these meetings?
Well, what the Finance Ministry is going to do is to present a case that if at all there's no upgrade by the ratings agencies, at least there's no downgrade at least. What we are picking up from sources is that Fitch was going to come to North Block on the 12th of April, S&P on the 25th and Moody's on the 7th of May. As far as ratings agencies and their concerns go, what we are being given to understand from sources is their concerns consist of a high ballooning current account deficit, a high fiscal deficit, persistent inflation, slowdown in growth, whether the government will be able to push forth its reform agenda, and lastly, political uncertainty that perhaps could impact investor confidence. As far as Finance Ministry's defense goes, we are being given to understand that Finance Ministry believes it's the poor demand for exports and high crude prices that have played party pooper for current account deficit. They hope they believe that Q4 FY13 CAD will moderate significantly. In fact, they believe that they'll end the year FY13 with close to 5% in current account deficit. As far as fiscal deficit is concerned, the government is very keen to stick to its fiscal consolidation roadmap. Remember, they'd estimated 5.2% of GDP for fiscal deficit. It is going to come to close to 5% for FY13. As far as high inflation goes, the Finance Ministry is likely to say that core inflation has moderated, but it's food inflation that is the problem, and they are working to bring that down. As far as the slowdown in growth is concerned, we've heard the Finance Minister say that there will be a slow recovery. In FY14, he expects the growth between 6.1 to 6.7%. That's the argument that they will be giving. Reforms, the government says it's committed to reforms. It will be bringing in certain crucial bills before the Parliament in the second half of the budget session itself. And lastly, as far as investor confidence is concerned, we have the Finance Minister touring important investment hubs, speaking to foreign investors directly, trying to woo them to come into India. So the government is making a strong defense, and they are hoping if there's no case for a downgrade, for an upgrade, there's definitely no case for a downgrade of India's sovereign ratings.